What's up guys, Keitora YYC in the house, back with another unboxing video. Super excited about this one. So bought some goodies here from JDM Tsurikawa, and man, this is, I gotta say, this is actually the coolest business card I've ever seen. I thought it was a sticker. Guys, please make this a sticker. That would be awesome. This is their actual real van. If you go to their website you can see it. But yeah, super wicked. That's awesome. Right there, jdmtsurikawa.com, Instagram at jdmtsurikawa. And yeah, I'll drop a link to everything in the description below with a coupon code. So yeah, you might save some money too. So what do we have here today? What are we unboxing? JDM Tsurikawa Flashball Pat Light. You might have seen them, you might know what I'm talking about, you might have no idea. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this one. And a bit of history, actually, once you know what it is. But yeah, let's take a look at what this comes with. So, dun, 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 there it is. Let's take it all out. Alright. Good, fairly straightforward. What is this? What are we looking at? Don't worry guys, you'll see. Okay, awesome. Jeez. Oh dude. So yeah, it's one of those flash balls, Pat lights. So this one's purple, super awesome. I wish I could plug it in. It's got a 2.5 meter cable with a 10 amp fuse, comes with an extra fuse. And yeah, pretty much you plug it in and then it's like that rotating beacon, like a siren. And it's purple. So you can see some of the components in there. Actually, you can see most of the components. So yeah, we've got that motor with the teeth, and then it's going to spin the wheel, and then there's a halogen bulb inside, and this just rotates, and then it flashes it everywhere. And don't worry, these aren't scratches. It's just a bit smudgy. So yeah, there it is. This thing is way bigger than I thought it would be. But yeah, I gotta figure out, I'm gonna put it in the Suzuki Carry DA63T. Gotta figure out where to put it. Let's see what else it comes with. So it looks like, yeah, there's that extra 10 amp fuse. And then it comes with some mounting hardware, so some nuts, bolts, and washers. And actually, hang on a second. Wow, okay, so it comes with nuts, bolts, washers, and it even comes with a bit of a not a lock washer, but yeah, if you I don't remember what that's called, but you put it in between the nut and the bolt and the washer, and then it kind of holds tension so something doesn't get loose. But that's cool. It comes with all the mounting hardware. And yeah, just let me show you here at the bottom. You've got the spots for the mounting screws. So you just you know, you pop this off. It pops out, and then you got to unscrew it, and then it pops out, and then yeah, you can actually screw the hardware in, and then you can you know, mount it wherever you want to mount it. This thing is big, but it's not that heavy. And then yeah, so a bit of you know, what the heck is this? So in Japan, this is a light you use apparently when you have like a roadside emergency. So if you saw a car flashing purple, that means, like, you know, I'm in trouble, you know, who knows, ran out of gasoline, tire popped, something like that. But then obviously the Bosozoku culture in Japan, the same guys who are responsible for, you know, the subway handle, kind of took this and adopted it as their kind of their own, you know, delinquent behavior symbol. So in a lot of those underground Japanese kind of street videos and then the street racing videos, you'll see a lot of the purple flashing ball in a lot of the cars. And that just pretty much means, like, yeah, you know, we're a bunch of road delinquents and we're gonna, you know, have fun or whatever, or motorcycle gangs, you know, whatever. You can look it up. You'll probably see a whole bunch of stuff about it. But yeah, this one's super dope. Super excited. It is from Japan. Gonna clean it up, put it in the truck. I wish I could plug it in and show you guys how it looks when it runs, but definitely gonna have an install video for you guys, so don't worry about that. And yeah, stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you very much for tuning in. And let's see if we can get a good shot of this. It does look better like this or like this. Yeah, probably let's just do it like that. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, thank you for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I always appreciate the views. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Peace.